Hello, children. Welcome to St. Paul's Convent High School. Today, we will learn a new topic, but before I start with my topic, I would like to ask you some question. Students, when we go to a shop to buy anything, what does the shopkeeper ask for? Yes, money. So, students, today we will learn a new topic, that is coins and currency notes. We can buy things which we need in day to day life by paying money. Money is divided in coins and currency notes in India. Indian currency is in the form of paise and rupees. Paise is donated by P and rupee is donated by the symbol which you can see in the picture. Student, look at these coins. Have you ever seen these coins? Okay, so these coins are used in India. First coin is of 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. These are the coins which we use in India. Now, let us see notes which we use in India. 1 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. Now look here, student. Make the given amount using different combination of coin. So here we have coin of 1 rupee of 1 makes 1 rupee. Coin of 1 rupee of 2 makes 2 rupees. Coin of 2 rupees and 1 rupee makes 3 rupees. Coin of 2 rupees of 3 makes 6 rupees. Coin of 5 rupees of 2 makes 10 rupees. Coin of 10 rupees, 5 rupees and coin of 2 rupees make 17 rupees. Coin of 10 rupees of 2 makes 20 rupees. Students, now here we have some things. Which notes or coin will you pay to buy given things? Here the cost of the things are given to us. The cost of notebook is 15 rupees. The cost of eraser is 3 rupees. The cost of bottle is 20 rupees. So now, which coins or notes we have to pay? So students, let us see. Now students, look here. Tick the coins which you pay to buy the given things. Now here, the cost of the notebook is 15 rupees. So which coins we will use? Yes, 10 rupees coin and 5 rupees coins, which will make 15. Now the second is eraser. The cost of the eraser is 3 rupees. So which coin we will use? 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. That will make 3 rupees. The last one is the cost of the water bottle is 20 rupees. So which coin we will use? Yes, 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. That will make 20. Now here the given things are pencil, crayon box and kite. Amount is also given. The cost of the pencil is 5, the cost of crayons are 10 and the cost of the kite is 6. So now let us see. Tick the coins which you will pay to buy the given things. So here the cost of the pencil is 5 rupees. So which coins we will use? Yes, the 5 rupees coin. The cost of the crayon is 10 rupees. So which coins we will use over here? Yes, one 5 rupees coin. Again we will use one more 5 rupees coins which will make 10 rupees. Now here the cost of the kite is 6 rupees. So which coins we will use? Yes, 1 rupee coin and 5 rupees coins which will make 6. Now students, carefully look at the picture. What do you understand by looking at the picture? Yes, the boy is returning home from school with his mother. On the way, he saw a balloon sailor. So, he told his mother that he wants to buy a balloon. So, his mother agreed to him and went to the balloon sailor and asked the cost of balloon. So, the balloon sailor said the cost of one balloon is rupees 12. So, let us see how many coins and note the boy's mother paid to the balloon sailor. Cost of balloon is 12. 5 rupee coin plus 5 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin is equals to 12 rupees. So, 5 plus 5 plus 2 will give us 12 rupees. Let's look at the next step. One sharpener costs 3 rupees. How much will two sharpeners cost? Again I am reading. One sharpener costs 3 rupees. How much will two sharpener cost? Now student, here the cost of one sharpener is 3. The cost of another sharpener is also rupees 3. So, 3 rupees plus 3 rupees is equals to 6 rupees. Rita brought a ice cream by giving one currency note of 10 rupee and one coin of rupees 5. What is the cost of the ice cream? So, Rita paid 10 rupees note plus 5 rupees coin. So, that is equals to 15 rupees. So, the cost of the ice cream is 15 rupees. Karan brought a pencil of 15 rupees and a chocolate of 5 rupees. How many rupees did he pay for them? Let us see students. Karan paid cost of chocolates plus cost of pencil. So the cost of chocolate is 15 and the cost of pencil is rupees 5. So rupees 15 plus rupees 5 will give us 20.